Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to design an effective YouTube thumbnail in Canva. The first step in creating an eye-catching thumbnail is to plan it out. Think about the main theme or message of your video. What will grab the viewer's attention? Jot down some key elements you want to include in your thumbnail. Next is select a high quality image that represents your video's content. Make sure it's clear and relevant. If you're on a budget, there are plenty of free stock photo resources available online. So, for example, let's create a design here. And then you can choose any size that you want. For example, this one, Facebook cover, or this is an easy way to create a YouTube thumbnail. Just search here templates and you can search YouTube thumbnail. So here it will automatically give you some templates for YouTube thumbnail. So these templates here, you can edit it the way you like it. So for example, I just want a simple thumbnail for my YouTube channel or for my YouTube video. So for example, this one, and then click customize this template. Now, in this template, you will have to edit the text and change it to the content you are uploading on YouTube. So it's very simple, right? And once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, you can save it in format that's compatible with YouTube, like PNG or JPEG. Then head over to your YouTube and upload it to your video. Remember, your thumbnail is your video's first impression, so make it count. And that's it. You now know how to design an effective YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Remember to plan your thumbnail, choose the right image, add clear text, use vibrant colors, highlight key elements, review and resize, and finally, save and upload. Incorporating these simple steps into your thumbnail design process will help attract more viewers to your YouTube videos. So start creating those stunning thumbnails and watch your channel grow. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to design an effective YouTube thumbnail in Canva. See you on my next video.